Sik from Binyan, Laguna, Philippines. I'm an ordinary participant of MMM Global since August of 2015. Uh, it's a great privilege for me to upload this letter of happiness, this video of letter of happiness every time I receive help. Because last November 14, I provided help in the amount of 10,000. And today, December 5, I receive an amount of 11,400 from someone who provided help to me. This is really fantastic because people are helping each other to change their lives. And I'd like to thank Sir Jim Brody, who is the founder of this mutual aid activity, and also to the people who are involved because it helps us to grow and it helps us to change our lives financially. This is the so-called financial freedom that I am experiencing because of this MMM. I should say that long live MMM, long live to the founders, Reggie Mabrodi. God bless all of you. Truly your tagline of you can change the world. We are starting and will continue to change the world. Thank you.